Welcome! In this video, we're going to present DescribeML. DescribeML is a language plugin for Visual Studio Code to describe machine learning datasets. With this tool, you can easily describe the composition, the provenance, and the social content of the data used to train machine learning models. Better data, better machine learning. One of the main goals of our tool is to engage the community to adopt database practices, such as documenting their datasets. Therefore, our tool is easy to use and easy to install. Let's take a look. To install our tool, the first step is to type DescribeML in the extension tab and click Install. And that's it, we are ready to use our tool. We think that the best way to start using our tool is to take a look to the examples we have in our open repository. Here in the video, you have the link. In our case, we already have these examples downloaded, so let's take a look to the movie review polarity dataset. This dataset is a dataset composed by movie reviews and tagged with a sentimental flag such as positive and negative, and has been used for sentimental analysis. Here we can see at the outline the social concerns. We can take a look to the gathering process. In that case, it's a gathering process from the IMDb website. We can take a look to the composition. In that case, the tag and other attributes. But here in the tag, we can see the categoric distribution of the tag, and that could be interesting. And finally, we can take a look to the metadata, where we can see information regarding the citation, the description, the application, the licenses. And also, we can take a look to some of the features, such as the auto-completion of machine learning tasks, the licenses, or some validations, such as the name should start with capital letter. Now, let's take a look to the tool workflow. The first step is to create a .descml file. We are going to describe a wine dataset, but this file is empty and could be difficult to start from scratch. So if we take a look to our dataset, wine dataset, we can see that this dataset is a tabular dataset with information regarding the acidity of the wine or the residual sugar. So let's use our preloader service and let's load this data. And now we have an outline. For example, here we can see the different attributes, some basic information about the attributes, but important point here is the structure. This structure guides you, answers the question of how I can document my dataset, and this structure can guide documenters through its process. When we are happy with our documentation, we can go here and click that button that generates HTML documentation that can be published in the World Wide Web. Once we are happy with our documentation, we can also save the document and we can take a look to the document. And in addition to the content, we can see that this HTML documentation also implements schema.org vocabulary. This vocabulary is used by the search engine as Google dataset search to index datasets. So you are converting your data discoverable and can be indexed by these engines. And that's it. Thank you very much. And if you have some questions, please contact us or access our open repository. Thank you.